Hi, Alida. This one is for you. Here's your tipi. Well, looks pretty bad on this side, doesn't it? Just those pieces of pole were not as fresh as we would have liked. Here's the spring. Isn't that nice? Comes out from under a rock. And it goes into the pond. It's very cold. So you can drink it. Let's look back at the tipi now. Oh dear. Looking bleak, isn't it? Looking grim. Oh look, my hatchet, hammer, and screwdriver. One never knows where one will find these things. Well, I think it's time to come in here and sit my weary bones down. This is Alida's tipi. Alida, I hate to have to break it to you. It doesn't look good today. I like your little campfire. It's very nice. And you do have a good supporting beam there. Oh, except it broke. And you have some good ones back there. Except they broke too. Well, this one's a good one. This one goes all the way up. And two more do too. And the rest of them, I find it broke. But you have a nice view. You can see the spring. Well, Alida, you did a good job building this tipi, but I guess just like the Three Little Pigs, we should have used rather newer poles, stronger, and they should have been bigger. But we had a lot of snow last year. If we hadn't had that much snow, you probably would have been fine with what you did. Okay, well, I hate to tell you this is what your tipi looks like, but actually you have two nice chairs in it. Did I make these chairs, actually? I think I did. How'd you get these chairs down here? Oh well, it's a good place for them, actually. I like having them here. See you later.